Albert Einstein, one of the greatest minds in physics, introduced the world to the theory of relativity in the early 20th century. This theory revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. It consists of two parts: special relativity and general relativity. Special relativity focuses on the physics of moving at high speeds. It tells us that time slows down as you move faster, a phenomenon known as time dilation. This concept challenges our everyday experiences of time as a constant and unchanging flow. Einstein's insights reveal that time is much more fluid and interconnected with the fabric of space than previously thought. On the other hand, general relativity explains how gravity works. Einstein proposed that massive objects like stars and planets warp the space-time around them. This warping of space-time is what we feel as gravity. It's a groundbreaking idea that shifted the perspective from gravity being a force pulling objects together to a curvature in the space-time fabric caused by mass. This theory not only explains the motion of planets and the trajectory of light, but also predicts phenomena like black holes, regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Moreover, Einstein's theory predicted the existence of gravitational waves, ripples in space-time caused by violent cosmic events like merging black holes or colliding neutron stars. These predictions have been confirmed by modern astronomical observations, solidifying the theory's importance. Today, the theory of relativity remains a fundamental pillar in our understanding of the universe. It has changed the way we perceive the cosmos, providing insights into the nature of reality itself. As we explore the universe, from the vast expanse of galaxies to the mysterious quantum realm, Einstein's theory of relativity continues to guide our quest for knowledge.